It's just our proof, man. Reporting life. Gonna go in this bitch. But just look. How you say? If you see, guys, there's a factory. It's pretty haunted. About 50 workers have been said to have suddenly passed away. Their bodies have never been found, really. So we're really gonna be trying to search for those. Not really. We're just gonna be trying to do the Ouija board and shit. Obviously, we gotta ask the Charlie, are you here? Because if you aren't, what the fuck are you doing? Honestly, come on, be honest with yourself. So yeah, we're approaching here the factory. We're gonna go up those stairs. I said Muki Pie. Muki Pie. Okay. Go ahead and count the camera over there.
Una pregunta. Where would they be fucking, bro?
Bro, that's a pallets. Hold on, my crew moving without me. Give me a sec. Okay, that's how I was saying. We're gonna be going in. It's a lot of BB stuff for this. It's just an airsoft field. A couple of around 12 airsofters, 2-year-olds. I stole them. Back there, I don't know if you can see the BB darts on the floor.
A little closer.
Closer. You can check over there.
A little closer.
You see how they use the pallets? This shit that is not DVD, bro. And they use them as cover. However, they couldn't cover them from ghosts. Let's keep on moving. We're gonna set up multiple GoPro cameras to capture all the footage we can. See if we get any paranormal activity here. Here we are. We are entering the haunted factory. As you can see, I think that was a ghost, right? He's here. Now, I'm an expert at this time.
Your pad is done.
Huh?
What is it? Oh,
He thought this was that by that. This is not it, bro.
your pad is done. Oh, no.
So, you have a couch in which one of the workers reportedly lost her life in. Their body was never found. The couch was never found.
Te sujetalidad.
I'm 95% sure that was the worker that died there.
That was the ghost.
Could be wrong. That was the ghost of John Adams. Let's keep moving.
John Adams, bro. That's
That's a precedent. That's a precedent. That's a precedent.
That's why.
I'm sensing something here. Something strong. Starting to sweat cold. There's definitely some paranormal thing going on. Our crew has moved in forward. See, as they're coming back, that means they've seen something up ahead and they really don't want to move forward. But that's not what we do YouTube for, guys. We're going to show you the full experience. Come on, guys. There's some water here, so what you be told. We have lost all of our crew. Do not go to the Avon Factory at 3 in the morning. We see how the dock here was used for moving ships. I gotta take this man off to the hospital. Our crew is already moving, contacting the police and officials. We're getting the hell out of here. Come back next for some...
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.